Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can unmute account on Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Thread application, and then you simply need to select any person. Okay, click on three dots and click on mute. So if you remember any person, you can easily go onto that person profile, click on three dots, and you can simply unmute. But let's suppose you mute more than 10 people, 20, or it is up to you that you can mute different people's band. You want to unmute all, so you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you simply need to click on this globe icon in the top left, and here you can see muted. Click on that, and here you can see a person. You simply need to click on unmute. Okay, so this is a process by which you can unmute people's on Thread. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.